Imagine waking up one morning with an idea, a groundbreaking idea, something that could change everything. You've discovered a way to power homes for pennies, or to move objects without fuel, or navigate the rules of physics, to make the impossible possible. I'm Brian St. Clair, and this exact scenario has played out far too often. You take that idea and you get to work, alone, driven. Days, weeks, months pass. You build, you test, you fail, and you try again. And then success. A working prototype hums, it moves, it proves that your theory is right. So what do you do with it? Do you sell it out? Do you develop it yourself? Do you file a patent? You file a patent thinking that maybe this will help people. Maybe this is your important moment. Behind closed doors, a group convenes. Suits, uniforms, lab coats, casual wear, military, intelligence, industry, and finance, all at one table. The room is swept for bugs, and guards are posted. The doors are locked from the inside, and on the table, a briefcase opens. Inside that briefcase, your idea, your invention, your future. From somewhere in that group, a whisper. This cannot be allowed to exist. Another idea is about to vanish, and the silencing begins. Sometimes the patent is just quietly denied. Sometimes you're asked, no, you're told to abandon it. Persist, and you, like so many others, may face discrediting, isolation, or even jail. Persist further, and people have disappeared. There are many names we've never heard, devices never seen, families still wondering. Some inventors vanish quietly. Others fall victim to circumstance, illness, or worse. Yet some sparks refuse to die. Many people like you and me have built a plan for the future. But those controlling the future may say no. These ideas echo still, and some sparks refuse to go away. Under the U.S. Inventions Secrecy Act of 1951, if a patent threatens national security, the government may withhold it. Internal memos often use language like to prevent disclosure to foreign adversaries, or to safeguard national interests and maintain technological superiority. A 1971 Atomic Energy Commission memo warned the uncontrolled dissemination of advanced energy systems could destabilize global power structures. Governments don't just protect borders, they protect secrets. And when an idea threatens to shift the balance of power, even peacefully, it becomes classified. Not because it failed, but because it succeeded. Before rushing to file a patent, consider all the possible uses for your discovery. Decide if filing is safe, or if discreet collaboration is wiser. Sometimes hiding in plain sight is the safest path. I've compiled a partial list of these lost inventors. There are many names on it, their innovations, and the work that deserves remembrance. It's available for you to explore in the St. Clair R&D Library, also known as the Vault. The link is below. Knowledge shared keeps sparks alive. Some ideas vanish, some are silenced, but the human spark, curiosity, ingenuity, daring, it all persists. Some sparks refuse to go away, and they may yet change the world. If you enjoy watching these episodes and you want to hear more or more in depth in any one of these particular subjects, drop me a line or leave it in the comments. So let me know, and until next time, hey, be good to each other, and please be good to yourself. Brian out.